Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Online. Today we will study about population density and its factors. Population density. Population density is the number of individuals in a population found in a particular area. Or population density is the concentration of individuals within a species in a specific geographic locale. Population density data can be used to quantify demographic information and to assess relationships with ecosystems, human health, and infrastructure. The three methods for calculating population density are arithmetic, physiological, and agricultural. The method used to calculate population density reveals different information about the pressure the population exerts on the land. Population density and population size are the two main factors which are used to study any population in an ecosystem. Higher population density may help sexually reproducing individuals find mates, but it can also lead to increased competition for mates, food, living space, water, sunlight, and other resources. Help to shield some members from predators, but it can also make large groups such as schools of fish vulnerable to human harvesting methods. Close contact among individuals in dense populations can increase the transmission of parasites and infectious diseases. Smaller groups have high population density than larger organisms. Low population density. Less competition for food, living space, water, sunlight, and other resources. Individuals with low population density face difficulty in finding mates as compared to individuals with higher population density. Less adaptability to environmental changes. Factors of population density. Density independent factors. Density dependent factors. Density independent factors. Factors that influence the number of animals in a population and their effect is not dependent on the density of the population. So density independent factors exert a strong effect on population size instead of population density of a particular area. Some of these factors are weather, earthquake, floods, hurricanes, fire, pollution, habitat destruction, climate changes. Weather conditions often limit populations. A severe freeze in late spring can kill many individuals in a plant population or a population of monarch butterflies regardless of their density. An extremely cold winter with little snow cover may devastate a population of lizards hidden beneath the litter of the forest floor. Human activities such as construction and deforestation often affect animal populations in a similar fashion. Density dependent factors. Factors that influence both the population size and population density are termed as density dependent factors. Some factors that limit population growth have a greater effect as a population density increases. Factors that influence population density are competition, disease, predation, parasitism, food, migration, constant size, often near the carrying capacity of its environment. Density dependent factors tend to regulate a population at a fairly. Density dependent factors are more severe when population density is high or sometimes very low than they are at other densities. Animals often use territorial behavior, song, and scent marking to tell others to look elsewhere for reproductive space. These actions become more pronounced as population density increases and are thus density dependent. I hope this session will help you a lot. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.